Hello, Teacher Alan here, and welcome to this audio presentation on traits and heredity, an essential unit in the field of genetics. In this presentation, we will discuss what traits are, how they are inherited, and their impact on our lives. We will also explore the fascinating history of genetics and the groundbreaking discoveries that have led to our current understanding of heredity. So, what are traits? Traits are the physical, behavioral, and physiological characteristics of an individual that can be observed and measured. These traits can be inherited from our parents and are determined by the genetic information we receive from them. Inheritance is the process by which genetic information is passed from one generation to the next. This information is stored in our DNA, the blueprint of life. DNA is composed of 4 nucleotide bases: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. The specific sequence of these bases determines our unique genetic code and the traits we inherit. There are 2 types of traits: dominant and recessive. Dominant traits are expressed when a dominant allele is present, while recessive traits are expressed only when 2 recessive alleles are present. For example, if one parent has brown eyes and the other has blue eyes, their child may inherit the dominant brown eye allele from one parent and the recessive blue eye allele from the other. In this case, the child will have brown eyes, as the dominant allele overrides the recessive allele. The study of genetics has come a long way since the discovery of DNA in the 1950s. In the early 20th century, a monk named Gregor Mendel conducted experiments with pea plants, which led to the discovery of basic inheritance patterns. Later, scientists such as Francis Crick and James Watson discovered the double helix structure of DNA, providing insight into the structure of genetic information. Today, genetics research is advancing at an incredible pace, with breakthroughs in genome sequencing, gene editing, and gene therapy. These advances have enormous implications for human health and disease, as we gain a better understanding of how genes influence our susceptibility to various conditions. In conclusion, traits and heredity are essential concepts in the field of genetics, helping us to understand how genetic information is passed from one generation to the next. With ongoing advancements in genetics research, we can continue to unlock the mysteries of our genetic code and its impact on our lives.